What is happening, guys? Welcome back. This is my 2011 BMW 535i with the N55. Just did the front mount intercooler on this, and it's got the stock MHD stage 1 for stock cars on it. Time to bump that up a little bit. So that's what we're going to be doing today. A couple of things that you need to do this. Battery charger, highly recommended. I already got it plugged in. And then you also need your car MHD wireless adapter. This plugs right into your OBD2 port, and then an MHD app. So my port is right here. Boop. All good there. All right, so now next thing I'm gonna do, turn the ignition on, not start the car. I'm gonna turn off my HVAC, my lights. Now what you wanna do, go to your connections, Wi-Fi, and then I already have it connected, but you can look for your MHD ENET. So we're all set there. Now we should be good for flashing a map. So that's what we're gonna do right now. We're gonna do flash a map. Currently I have stage 1 for unmodified cars. I guess there's no stage 1 plus, stage 2 and stage 2 plus. Well, I don't have upgraded downpipes, but we're gonna rock it out anyway. So I love the multi-map. So I'm gonna go stage 2 on the multi-map. Click the little corner for options there. Let's see, I have the auto 8-speed. I'm just gonna go with the 8-speed automatic. You want to select your octane. Okay, so now we'll go into options. I'm gonna go to stock downpipes, just so it knows. Definitely gonna do exhaust burbles. So the main map, I'm gonna leave the BRAP. Let's see. No. So the BRAP is only on the main map. So the only thing that you can switch between different maps is your octane and then your burble. That's gonna be my main map to leave it as quiet as possible. Map 2 is going to be in base. I like having the car in not sport mode and just having everything quiet, so I'm probably not going to change that at all. So basically I'm going to do soft burbles for map 2, and then medium for map 3, and then map 4 we're going all out. We are going all out. Hard burbles on map 4. So that should take care of that. Oh, that's cool. If you have the auto start stop, you can disable it in this as well. That's super cool. I like that. You can do a startup roar. I've never had good luck with that. It doesn't change on mine. And then you can change your coolant target from stock, sport, and track. I'm assuming it cools it down. I don't know. But meth injection and, wow, yeah, everything else. Limit power by gear. Interesting. All right, so I think we have everything configured. Now it's time to write it. And this is typical that the car kind of does some weird stuff while you're doing it. Gives you some errors. So now it's communicating with the ECU. And sometimes this procedure takes 20 minutes, like in my 335i with the N54. Sometimes it takes 20 seconds, and that's what it says it's going to take for this car. So that's crazy. All right, so it'll go through and reset the DME, code it, and then kind of start everything over. Yeah, still got the warning lights, clearing codes, and then it says success, wait 30 seconds. So the car is off, just gonna wait. All right, let's go ahead and start the car and see what happens. Oh, actually, let's unplug that battery charger first. Done. All right, here we go. All right, and then I am going to click on monitor, just so I can see what's going on. And with one downpipe on this car, the twin scroll single turbo, you only have one bank versus like my N54, you got bank 1 and bank 2. With the multi-map that I put on here, it is super simple to switch, and it's going to depend, like it's a little bit more difficult to change on the 335i because the cruise control is on the stock. This one, it's on the steering wheel, so you can change your maps on the fly because map 1 is your main map. So if you hold down the set button, you see the engine light start to flash, and then the needle, RPM needle, is at 1. That means map 1 is present. And then you just toggle right here, up to 2, up to 3, and up to 4. And once you get to your desired 1, I want it at 4, then I'm gonna hold down the set button again until RPM returns to normal and the engine light goes off. Yeah, so I'm gonna let this bad boy warm up and take it for a spin, but that's as easy as it is, guys, to do this. It's super simple. All right, guys, this car is just so much fun to drive. I don't know, my N54 is so, the engine noises and all that kind of stuff, it's just, you can't beat that. But this N55 is so smooth, just very dailyable versus my 335. But we got the monitor up on the dash there, well, on the old Galaxy S9 that nobody uses. But yeah, so I can monitor AFRs, really anything you want, but I always look at high pressure fuel, low pressure, AFRs, intake temp, throttle position and coolant for sure. But man, this car is just so much fun. Hitting about 15 pounds of boost, it seems. That's not wide open throttle either. Yeah, I want to, before I go too hard with it, I want to get that catless downpipe on here, so there's no restriction issues. Just got ultimate flow there, and I've also got 1 step colder plugs for it as well that I'll be putting in. That'll be the next video too. But yeah, that's how you use MHD and tune your N55. This is the F10, so N55 came in quite a few different cars, including the M2, early M2, 3 Series. I don't know if it, no, it wasn't in the 4 Series, but then the F10 here. So that's what I know of anyway. I don't know if it came in the X5. I thought that was the N63. But anyway, I'm rambling. MHD is worth every penny, and if you really want a deal and you want to hold out for it, get it on Black Friday week. That's the only time they roll a special, and I waited to get it, the license for this car. So I mean, it's worth it. It's not like half price by any means, but it's worth the discount. So all right, hopefully this video helped you guys out and you choose MHD to tune your turbo BMW. And until we meet again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Later.